Are you struggling with the conjugation of the French irregular verbs? No more worries. You think no specific patterns to follow, need to memorize them, long hours of practice. You are about to give up. But wait. I'm here to tell you how to deal with irregular French verbs. Hey, this is Camille Morin, your French teacher from French Pearl with Kamal. In this video, I'll be telling you how to deal with the irregular verbs that are most commonly used in the French language. You are going to put them in subdivisions or lots. That is going to help us a lot. So the best thing you can do now is to watch the video until the end and take down notes to learn efficiently. Are you ready to take down notes? Yes, let's begin. So the first set of verbs that I'll be giving you is the auxiliary verbs avoir and être. So these two verbs are the very first verbs that any beginner would have learned. So stick around with me to learn them in the next video. The second set of verbs are verbs ending in re. So we have verbs like ending in ettre, dre, aitre, oitre, indre, vre, uivre and ure. All verbs ending in ettre are conjugated in the same manner. All verbs ending in dre follow the same pattern. Likewise, for the verbs ending in aitre and oitre, their conjugation is similar. And so on for the other verbs in this list. Yeah, you have got it right. If you know to conjugate one verb in each list, then you can conjugate any verb having the same endings. Next, we are going to talk about the verbs ending in IR, irregular IR verbs. Here we have verb venir and tenir, which will be conjugated in the same manner. Verb pouvoir and vouloir, they follow the same pattern. Next, we have a set of 6 IR verbs that are conjugated in the same manner. They are dormir, partir, sentir, mentir, sortir and servir. So the next set is couvrir, offrir, ouvrir and souffrir. They go together. Now at last we are going to talk about those irregular verbs that have unique conjugation pattern. So let's start discovering them. Dire, écrire, lire, rire, boire, croire, faire, plaire, courir, devoir, recevoir, savoir, falloir, pleuvoir, aller. So here we end the list. So I hope this was useful. Hope you have taken notes of all these sets of verbs that I've given you. Let me know in the comment how many sets you have got altogether. So what's next? Next we'll be conjugating from each set so that you can become familiar and master the French conjugation. We'll be doing it in the present tense at first. So until then, au revoir et à bientôt.